today's video, we will explore the powerful capabilities of the Panda SQL library, which allows you to run SQL queries on Panda's data frame. If you have ever wanted to leverage your SQL skills while working with data in Python, then this library is for you. So let's dive right in. To begin with, we need to install the Panda SQL library. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install panda SQL to install it. Once the installation is complete, we can start coding. First, let's import the necessary libraries. We will need the pandas library to work with the data frames and the SQL-df function from Panda SQL to execute our SQL queries. Now, let's create a sample data frame to work with. We will define some columns such as name, age, and city. Our data frame df is ready with some sample data. Now let's say we want to extract specific information from this data frame using an SQL query. For example, we want to select the name and age columns for individuals who are older than 28. To achieve this, we will define our SQL query as a string. In this case, our SQL query will be this. We have selected the name and age columns from the df data frame and specified a condition to filter rows where the age is greater than 28. Now we will define a lambda function called mysql, which takes the query as input and executes it using SQL-df. This function ensures compatibility with MySQL syntax. With our MySQL function defined, we are ready to execute our query and obtain the results. We will call the function MySQL with our query as the argument. The result variable now contains the output of our SQL query as a new data frame. To see the results, we can simply print it. And there you have it. By running an SQL query on a pandas data frame using the Panda SQL library, we obtained the names and ages of the individuals who are older than 28. Now let's quickly recap what we have learned today. We discovered the Panda SQL library, which allows us to leverage our SQL skills to query Panda's data frame. By installing the library, importing the necessary modules, and using the SQL-df function, we were able to run the SQL query on our data frame. This is incredibly powerful for data manipulation and analysis tasks. I encourage you to explore more complex SQL queries and experiment with different data sets. The Panda SQL library offers a wide range of SQL functions and syntax, so there is a lot more to discover.
If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe if you are new on this channel.